You had a book inside you, a story to tell, a message to share. So you started writing and writing and writing some more. But then reality hit. Because the old way of publishing is a nightmare. It's not just about writing, it's about everything else. You finish your manuscript, congratulations, you've done the hard part. But now you need a professional cover. Then you need to format your manuscript for Kindle. Then you need to write descriptions, keywords, and BASAC codes. Then you need to find a narrator or spend weeks recording in a makeshift studio. Then you need to edit out every pop, click, and breath. Then you need to pray your audio passes the strict ACX requirements. Then you need to create marketing materials. Then you need to post on social media. Then you need to build a launch funnel. Most authors juggle 10 different subscriptions: ChatGPT, Canva, Readsy, Audacity, a video editor, a scheduler. The costs pile up. The hours disappear. And after all that effort, you have nothing to market with. You have a book file, not a campaign, not a launch, not a business. And that's where the real pain lives, not in the writing, in the everything else.
What if you could turn a blank page into a published book, a studio-narrated audiobook, and a professional marketing video all before lunch? No, this isn't science fiction. It's Alexandria AI, the world's most advanced AI publishing engine. While other tools just write text, Alexandria AI writes, illustrates, narrates, and creates scroll-stopping videos with animated captions. Then it shares them to 7 social platforms with one click. You go from concept to a live Amazon listing, an Audible audiobook, a Spotify release, and a TikTok video, all from a single dashboard. That's not a writing assistant. That's a publishing empire in a browser tab. Alexandria AI collapses the entire publishing pipeline into a single 9-stage process. 1. Concept with trend validation and trope selection. 2. Outline, chapter by chapter, reader optimized. 3. Writing, using GPT-4o, DeepSeek, or Google Gemini. 4. Formatting, PDF and EPUB, print ready. 5. Audio, 4 TTS providers, ACX compliance built in. 6. Video, teaser videos and children's slideshows. 7. Publishing sheets, KDP, ACX, Spotify. 8. Marketing kit, complete launch assets. 9. Live tracking, rank, reviews, sales. Every stage feeds into the next. No manual copying, no reformatting, no more chaos.
Before you write a single word, Alexandria AI shows you exactly what's selling on Amazon. Bestseller Intelligence pulls live Kindle rankings across 10+ genres: romance, thriller, self-help, children's, fantasy, business. You see rank, rating, review count, and AI-generated trend insights. Then, Trend Scout scores every niche on 3 numbers. Trend score, 0 to 100, how hot is it right now? Market gap score, opportunity index, competition level, low, medium, high. No more guessing. You start every project with data. And here's the secret weapon that traditional AI tools ignore: story tropes. Alexandria AI gives you a library of 50+ proven narrative tropes, from enemies to lovers, to the chosen one, to fish out of water. You select the tropes that fit your genre, and the AI weaves them into every chapter prompt. The result? Books that feel familiar enough to sell, but original enough to stand out. Readers love tropes. Alexandria AI delivers them automatically.
Alexandria AI gives you a choice of 3 state-of-the-art language models. OpenAI GPT-4o, best for fiction, romance, thrillers, literary work. DeepSeek, cost-efficient, perfect for self-help, business, nonfiction. Google Gemini, brand new, excellent for long-form fiction, children's books, and expressive prose. You can switch per project. Once you pick your model and your tropes, the AI generates a full chapter-by-chapter outline. You review it, then the engine writes each chapter sequentially, 1,200 to 2,500+ words per chapter. The Story Bible automatically tracks every character, setting, timeline event, and world-building fact. The AI references it during every chapter, so your series stays consistent across volumes. This is how professional publishing houses operate. Now it's in your browser.
This is where Alexandria AI transforms your book into a revenue stream. 4 TTS providers at your fingertips: OpenAI TTS, 6 voices; ElevenLabs, premium voices like Rachel, Adam, Matilda; Google Gemini TTS, 8 expressive voices, including Aidi and Fenrir. You generate all chapters, opening credits, closing credits, and the Audible retail sample with one bulk command. And because ACX compliance is a nightmare for most publishers, Alexandria AI includes a built-in ACX checker. It measures RMS loudness, peak dB, noise floor, sample rate, bit depth. If anything is off, you click Auto Normalize, and every file is instantly compliant. Then you combine all audio into one full audiobook file directly in your browser. No server limits, no extra software, no headaches. A book without video is invisible, period. Alexandria AI leaves every other publishing tool in the dust with book teaser videos. The AI reads your book description, writes a curiosity-driven 30-second script, narrates it with OpenAI TTS, and generates genre-themed visuals for each scene. Then it renders a professional MP4 via ShotStack. You choose between vertical 9:16 for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, or horizontal 16:9 for YouTube and your website. And you can add 6 animated caption styles: Classic Box, Clean Text Overlay; None, Visuals Only; Highlight, Karaoke Style, Word by Word; Bounce, Words Spring into Frame; Pop, Scale Pop Effect; Slide, Words Slide Up from Below. The rich caption styles use ShotStack's AI transcription to animate each word in perfect sync with the narration. No manual timing, no editing. For children's books, there's a dedicated video slideshow generator. Every page's illustration is synced to its narrated audio, with opening and closing credits. You get a finished MP4, ready to upload or share. A great video does nothing if it stays in your Downloads folder. Alexandria AI has built-in social sharing for every video and every cover image. With one click, share to X, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Reddit, WhatsApp, Telegram. Each platform gets the correct API formatting. Titles, URLs, descriptions, all pre-filled. There's also a copy link button for any other destination. You go from video generation to viral distribution in under 5 seconds. No copy-pasting, no manual uploads. Video content gets 3 to 10 times the organic reach of text posts on every major platform. Alexandria AI gives you that reach automatically. Children's books are a massive market, but they're also the most labor-intensive. Alexandria AI automates the entire process. Choose an age range: 0 to 3, 4 to 6, 7 to 9, or 10 to 12. Pick one of 15 moral themes: kindness, honesty, courage, friendship, perseverance, gratitude, sharing, responsibility, empathy, respect, teamwork, self-confidence, forgiveness, patience, generosity. The AI weaves that theme naturally into the story. Then you select an illustration style: watercolor, cartoon, realistic, fantasy, minimalist, vintage, anime, or 3D, and a color palette: bright vibrant, pastel soft, earthy warm, cool calming, monochrome, or rainbow. The AI generates full-color, character-consistent illustrations on every single page. The same child, the same pet, the same magical tree, consistent across the whole book. Then it narrates the story, generates a print-ready PDF and EPUB, and creates a video slideshow with your choice of caption style. You get a complete children's book, illustrated, narrated, formatted, and video-ready in minutes, not months. Once your book and audio are ready, Alexandria AI generates complete submission sheets for all 3 major platforms. Amazon KDP, optimized title and subtitle, 7 keyword phrases with search strategy, 2 BISAC categories with correct codes, pricing recommendations, cover art. Audible ACX, 150 200-word listener summary, genre and subgenre, copyright owner and year, narrator credit, formatted chapter table of contents, ACX square cover. Spotify Audiobooks, publisher and imprint, digital voice narrator formatting, BISAC code recommendations, suggested retail price, territory settings, chapter list formatted for audio upload. You also get a marketing kit: Amazon A+ content, social media post templates, email launch sequences, keyword research, and ad copy. Everything is copy-paste ready. Alexandria AI has 3 simple plans. Free, $0 per month. 1 book per month, AI outline and chapter writing, GPT-4o, DeepSeek or Gemini, KDP and ACX cover art, PDF and EPUB export, Story Bible and continuity tracking. Pro, $19 per month, most popular. 10 books per month, everything in free, plus book series management, story trope selector, 50+ tropes, multi-provider audio narration, OpenAI, ElevenLabs, Gemini, Clone Voice, ACX compliance checker and auto-normalize, full audiobook combiner, Amazon bestseller intelligence, Trend Scout, virality, competition, gap scores, KDP, ACX, and Spotify publishing sheets, marketing kit generator, 20+ languages and translation, unlimited, $49 per month, unlimited books, everything in Pro, plus book teaser video generator, 6 animated caption styles, including rich captions, one-click social sharing to 7 platforms, children's book video slideshow, vertical 9:16 and horizontal 16:9 video, AI book agent with WhatsApp integration, priority generation and support.
I'm not technical. You don't need to be. The pipeline is visual. You click buttons, review outputs, and make selections from dropdowns. No code, no command line. I already have a manuscript. Import it. Alexandria AI will run it through audio, cover, video, and publishing sheets instantly. It can even analyze your existing manuscript to suggest tropes and keywords. Is the video quality good enough for ads? Yes. The videos are rendered in HD, 1280 by 720 for horizontal, 720 by 1280 for vertical, via ShotStack's professional cloud rendering. They're ready for TikTok, Facebook ads, and YouTube. Will readers know it's AI generated? Not if you review and edit. Alexandria AI gives you a draft, a very good draft, but you are the author. You can change any sentence, any illustration prompt, any audio voice. The tool is a collaborator, not a ghostwriter. Can I sell the audiobooks on Audible? Yes. The ACX-compliant files you generate are exactly what Audible requires. Thousands of authors already sell AI-narrated audiobooks on ACX, as long as you disclose the narrator as a digital voice where required. Alexandria AI helps you comply with all platform rules. What about copyright? You own 100% of the output. Alexandria AI does not claim any rights to your books, covers, audio, or videos. Your API keys mean the content is generated for you, not stored or reused by us. I don't have time to learn a new tool. The average user goes from sign up to first completed book in 15 minutes. The dashboard is designed like a wizard. Each stage has one main action button. You can learn it during a lunch break.
Let me be direct. If you publish 1 book per year the old way, you're leaving money on the table. Every month you delay, a competitor using AI is publishing 3 books, building an audience, and running video ads while you're still formatting your manuscript. Alexandria AI doesn't replace your creativity, it amplifies it. You still decide the genre, the tropes, the voice. You still review every chapter and approve every illustration. The AI handles the 90% that's just work, the formatting, the narration, the video editing, the social posting. That means you can focus on what matters, telling great stories and building a brand. And because the system is modular, you can start free today. Write your first book, export the PDF, see the quality for yourself. Then add audio next month, add video the month after, or go all in with unlimited and become a one-person publishing house. Here's your exact path. Step 1. Go to alexandriaai.com right now. Click Start Publishing Free. No credit card required. Step 2. In the dashboard, click New Book. Enter a title and genre. Step 3. Run bestseller intelligence to find a profitable niche. Pick your tropes. Step 4. Let the AI generate your outline. Review it. Click Write. Step 5. In under an hour, you'll have a full manuscript, a professional cover, a formatting PDF, and EPUB. Step 6. Upgrade to Pro or Unlimited to add audiobook narration, teaser videos, and one-click social sharing. From blank page to live listing, that's the Alexandria AI promise. The offer: free forever. 1 full book per month, no expiration. Pro, $19 a month. 10 books, audio, ACX, trend data, publishing sheets. Unlimited, $49 a month. Unlimited books, videos, social sharing. All plans include full access to the 9-stage pipeline. No hidden fees, no per-book charges. Go to alexandriaai.com and build your first book. Your publishing empire starts today. Click Start Publishing Free now.